Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Episodes. If you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Today we are going to see the recipe of chili garlic chicken wings. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have taken 8 chicken wings with the skin. We have to marinate these chicken wings. For marinating these chicken wings, add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and some lime juice. Mix everything nicely so that all the chicken wings are nicely coated with the marinade. We have the chicken wings nicely coated with the marinade. Now transfer these marinated wings to a ziploc bag. Now add half a cup of corn flour to this ziploc bag and seal the bag. Now shake this well so that all the wings get evenly coated with the corn flour. You can see the wings are evenly coated with the corn flour. Refrigerate these wings for half an hour. Heat some oil for frying. Fry these wings on medium to high heat till golden brown. Once the wings are fried, heat some oil in a pan. To the hot oil, add some grated ginger, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, and saute these for few seconds. Then add 2 finely chopped fresh red chillies and again saute for few seconds. Then add some finely chopped capsicum and mix everything well. Add some spring onion greens and give it a mix. Then add 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon red chilli sauce, and mix everything well. Then add water as required and give it a mix. Now add the fried chicken wings and mix everything well. Make sure that all the chicken wings are nicely coated. Now add 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixed with water in it and give it a mix. Saute these wings for few seconds. You can add water as required to adjust the consistency. And here the chili garlic chicken wings are ready to serve. Enjoy the tempting chicken wings. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. And do not forget to subscribe to Kitchen Episodes and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.